Welcome to this tutorial on np.all for array validation. In this video, you'll learn how to check if all elements in an array satisfy a specific condition. This is an essential function for data validation and quality checks in NumPy. np.all is a NumPy function that returns true if all elements in an array evaluate to true and false otherwise. It's perfect for validating that every single element in your array meets your specific criteria. Think of it as a quality control check that ensures everything passes your test. Let's look at the basic syntax. First, you import numpy as np, then you call np.all with your array as the first argument. The function accepts two optional parameters: axis, which defaults to none, and keepdems, which defaults to false. The function returns either a single boolean value or an array of boolean values. Here's a simple example to understand how it works. In the first case, we create an array with 3 true values. When we pass this to np.all, it returns true because all elements are true. In the second example, we have an array with true, false, and true. This time, np.all returns false because not all elements are true. Even a single false value makes the entire result false. Now let's see how to check conditions on numerical data. We create an array called numbers with values 5, 10, 15, and 20. To check if all numbers are positive, we use np.all with the condition numbers greater than 0. This returns true because all values are indeed positive. Next, we check if all numbers are greater than 10. This returns false because 5 and 10 don't satisfy this condition. The axis parameter lets you check conditions along specific dimensions. Here we have a 2x2 matrix with Boolean values. When we call np.all without specifying an axis, it checks all elements and returns false. With axis equals 0, we check along rows, which returns an array showing true for the first column and false for the second. With axis equals 1, we check along columns, returning true for the first row and false for the second row. np.all has many practical applications. For data validation, you can ensure all values in a dataset meet quality criteria before processing. For input checking, you can verify that user inputs are within acceptable ranges. In machine learning, you can validate feature constraints before training your model. These use cases help maintain data integrity and prevent errors in your analysis. Let's recap the key points. np.all returns true only if all elements evaluate to true. Use the axis parameter to check along specific dimensions of your array. It's perfect for validating conditions across entire arrays efficiently, and it's highly efficient for data quality checks and input validation. Understanding np.all will help you write cleaner, more reliable code for array validation tasks.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.